this lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about the other three types of the addressing modes. So here we are going to discuss about the register indirect addressing mode. So in this mode, the register, the source or the destination is given to the in the register. By using register indirect addressing mode, the internal or the external address can be accessed. The R0, R1 are used for 8-bit address, and DPTR, that is data pointer, is used for the 16-bit addresses, and no other registers can be used for addressing purpose. So let us see some examples of this mode. Like you can see move 0ES E5H comma at R0. So in this instruction, the at symbol is used for register indirect addressing. So in the first instruction, you can see it is showing that the R0 register is used if the content of R0 is 40H. Then the instruction will take the data which is located in the 40H of the internal RAM. In the second one, if the content of the R1 is 30H, then it indicates that the content of the port P0 will be stored at the location 30H in the internal RAM. So, for example, if move XA comma at R1, where in a move at DPTR, in these instructions, X, that is in the move X, with the move X, the X indicates that external data memory. The external data memory can be only accessed in the register indirect mode. So in the first instruction, if the R0 is holding 40H, and A will get the content of the external RAM location of 40H. So X indicates the external data memory. And in the second one, the content of A is overwritten in the location pointed by the DPTR. And coming to the indexed addressing mode. So in the indexed addressing mode, the source memory can be only accessed from the program memory only. The destination operand is always the registration A. So you can see here in indexed address, the destination operand is always A. These are some of the examples, like see here move CA. So here we have destination like A, comma at A plus PC, where C in the move C instruction refers to the code byte. For the first instruction, let us consider A holds 30H and the PC value is 1125H. The contents of the memory location 1155H are moved to the register A. And next, last one is implied addressing mode. So in the implied addressing mode, there is a single operand. So only single operand is present. These types of instructions can work on the specified registers only. So note that it will be working on the specified registers only. And these instructions are also known as register specific instructions. So the other name of implied addressing mode is register specific location. And here are some of examples, like we can see here RLA and swap A. So RLA stands for rotate left register. Rotate left register, that is the first one is used to rotate the A register content to the left, and the second one is swap A, whereas used to swap the nibbles in the A. So finally, we are concluding here with the addressing modes of 8051. So let us have a summary of it. We had discussed about 6 types of addressing modes, whereas first one is immediate addressing mode, whereas it is followed by the data will be followed immediately after the opcode. And next one is direct addressing mode, whereas the registers data are directly presented there, and register addressing mode. And after that, we have discussed register indirect addressing modes. And fifth one is indexed addressing mode, whereas the destination is always A. And finally, implied addressing mode, that is a single word. It is also called as register specific instructions, or it is used for specific registers only, and it is a single word followed by the opcode itself. So it can be represented by like RLA and swap A, because it is only on the specific registrations or specific registers. So in the next lections we will discuss about the serial communication and what are the communication types available for the programming purpose.